iClone is an incredibly flexible, intuitive, and practical tool that can be used for everything from visual storytelling for indie film and game productions to commercial use and corporate training. With an easy learning curve and a fantastic array of easy-to-use tools for animation, iClone is essential for quick scene creation, character customization, not to mention animation. This tutorial series will guide you through the most important parts of setting up a scene, starting with simple navigation and moving on to tools like multiple duplicate, prop alignment, and material assignment. You can also customize and bring in characters and props from external software using 3D Exchange, which enables a limitless supply of content for your production. Quick and simple animation is the cornerstone of iClone, and also one of its most useful assets. Whether you have experience in animating characters and objects or not, iClone has a wide spectrum of motion tools that are easy to learn and apply. After you're familiar with the foundations of scene navigation and setup, you'll be ready to tackle the concepts of lighting and camera work to bring out the details in your scene and give your production a more professional polish. Whether you're a beginner to the world of animation and CG, or you're looking for a powerful yet simple tool to cut down on your production time,